What's up everybody, it's Yasin here. Today we are here at Nyarutarama, one of the prime residential area to live in Kigali, where we are about to visit this modern stunning apartment, which is classified into two categories. The first category is apartment with 2 bedrooms. The second category is apartment with 3 bedrooms. As you can see, this elevator leads you direct to your apartment. We are going to start by touring this apartment with 3 bedrooms. This living room, as you can see, you do have a very cozy couch with those tables. As you can see, you also have this sliding door which leads you to your balcony, where you have an access to this beautiful stunning view. With those chairs where you can just relax with your friend or even yourself while reading the book. The thing I like about this property is the way they just to maintain their kitchen. I can say half closed, half opened. You do have this beautiful sliding door. If you don't want those smell to reach the living room or the dining table, you can just close it. If you don't want it, you can just open it. As you can see, this is a very beautiful kitchen with so many cabinets. As you can see, everything is just in here. You do have your microwave, your electric range, your washing machine, double sink. As you can see, this is the first bedroom with a very good bed. Window seat where you can just sit here, relaxing, enjoying the view of Nyarutarama. And then this beautiful art, and then your wardrobe here. This is your wardrobe, where you can just keep up your clothes, your hanger. Everything is just set for this bedroom. This is the second bedroom, which uses this bathroom. Okay, this is the second bedroom where you have your bed, window seat, and your wardrobe where you can just keep up your clothes. I can just keep up your clothes. Everything is just set also for this bedroom. And then this is the master bedroom where you have this very beautiful bedroom, a large window seat, a very large wardrobe where you can just keep your clothes, and also those beautiful stunning art pieces. And also here we have an alarm for you to wake up in the morning. We have this cabinet where you can use it as either makeuping board or where you can just keep your gadgets or whatever you want. And if you want, they can also give you a TV set here, and then you can also enjoy TV while you are in the bed. And also we can see the toilet for the master bedroom, where you have this beautiful bathroom with sink, a toilet, and a small walking shower with a pan also to avoid the water from splashing all around. Also a towel hanger, and it is stunning. This apartment is stunning. Now we are here at pool. If you are renting this apartment, you also get access to this beautiful, clean, blue pool with 1.35 meter deep. And you also have this place where you can sit with your family, enjoying the relaxation of this property. We also have access to this gym. Around here we have access to this gym. We also have access to this gym where you have a treadmill. You know, there's in order to increase your physique. Okay, as you can see, this is a small gym, but it's effective. You have all the essential equipment that you can use for your body workout. If you enjoyed the video, leave us a like and subscribe. If you have any other question, just leave it in the comment section. If you want to get more information about this property, click the link below. Thanks for watching.